Hi guys, this is part 5. We're almost done actually. My honey, I love to have but tonight you belong. Ay, mali. Darling, hold my hand up and jet to holiday. And right now, you could say 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off our family of 4. And the nothing to jet to holiday.
Operatiba ng PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group at ng Bureau of Customs ang isang hinalang pabrika ng sigarilyo sa barangay Malibuan, Mexico, Pampanga na mapasok ang compound. Tumambad sa kanila ang mga materyales sa paggawa ng sigarilyo. Nadiskubre naman sa kabilang bodega ang kahong-kahong pakete ng sigarilyo, mga nakalat na tax stamps at mga makinang ginagamit sa produksyon. Inaresto ang anim na Chinese.
Henry King, so final white beanie.
Ano yan, be? Headband?
Hey, give me back my purse. We're going up, it's our moment. We know together we're golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, our voices when I get so often. Oh yeah, gonna be golden. Oh, not hiding, shining like I'm born to be. Oh, it's our time, no lies that